What's up, guys? So welcome to the channel, and today we received a package from Turbo Wax. So I believe they send us the shampoo, which I usually use, but today we're going to be doing a review on it. Shout outs and thank you to Juan from Turbo Wax. This is pretty awesome, appreciate it. I will be leaving the links for all these products and especially this one right here, so you guys could acquire it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and that notification bell to stay notified with the channel and everything that is coming out. So we're gonna be opening the package right now. Let's see what we got from Turbo Wax. I believe. Oh, double package. This is a double package from them. Pretty thoughtful. So here we go, guys. So we have, this is the new ceramic foam shampoo from Turbo Wax. I am gonna be honest with you, I have not tried this one. This is definitely a new one. So here you have it, guys. Turbo Wax, and this is the foam ceramic wash shampoo, and pretty cool. I love the color. Awesome. I'll show you right now how the product looks. So I'm gonna start washing the card, and right now the card is pretty dirty. It's intentionally left dirty to review this product correctly. So the Turbo Wax Foam Ceramic Shampoo is what we're going to be using. So we're going to be taking all the cabs out. This protected cap is so it won't spill on shipping. So we're going to put, I'm going to do this the way I would do it. There is a measurement that is on their website. So we are going to be washing the card the regular way. Just so you guys, nothing fancy, no nozzle, no nothing, just with the hose. And I'm gonna be washing the car normally. So you guys could just wash it normally. Persons that don't have a special nozzle or a pressure washer or nothing, you know, just a normal wash. So I will be doing the wheels last, so the dirt won't go in the body. So I'll do the bottom trims and the wheels last. I'm even doing this, guys, with a regular nozzle, nothing fancy, since I know some of you guys don't have it. One thing I know about Turbo Wax is that it's ceramic infused. So pH is infused. So I believe this right here is one thing. Let me turn this off, guys. I like to hear this. When I hear that, It reminds me of the Palmolive, I think it was, commercial that it goes like this with the plate. That means the car is clean. It's super clean. So I can hear this. That means the car is clean. So these hubcaps are super difficult to wash, so it's a perfect example. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be drying the car now, and one thing I like about the Turbo Wax ceramic shampoo is that when you start drying it, you can see right away, it dries right away. So if the car is halfway dry already without no stains, so that's the most important thing I like about this product. I recommend it, guys. So I'm gonna be leaving all the links below for the product and some more product that they carry, the kits and everything. Turbo Wax is amazing. All right guys, so you guys can see the product works great. Final result, super shiny, super clean.